To update your store or services details, log into your Hyloca account. Go to Ecommerce Store section and tap Store Settings to update the basic information about your store or service. Now go to Checkout Settings and enable default payment if you wish to use Hyloca's default payment and payout system. Fill in details like currency, taxes, delivery charges, address preferences, etc. And click Save to update the information. Go to Appearance Settings to change the color or font of your store or services page. Now go to Business Hour Settings to update your business hours. Go to Categories to update your categories list. Go to Brands to update the brands you work with or have. Add custom attributes to your products or services like size, color, service package type, etc. in the Attributes tab. Now finally, add your product or service by going to the Products tab. Click on Add and fill in the details. You can fill everything about your offering here. And then finally click Save. That's it, your products and services are now updated on your page. Add delivery points or service centers for your store by going to Delivery Points tab. Give your customers offers on your products or services by adding coupons for discounts. That's it, your online storefront is now completely active. Go to your store page by clicking Visit Store. Download the QR code for your store from the QR menu tab and share it among customers or place it at your physical location for easy access.